Finding the perfect temperature-controlled fresh food merchandiser has always been a challenge, until now. The myDesignPro 3D product configurator transforms this challenge into a creative opportunity, empowering you to design a display case that's as functional as it is stunning. Configure. Visually add features and modify options, such as how the case will appear in an actual lineup. Include a specific exterior or interior finish, and bring in any other available option. Generate. Create flawless 3D models that can be spun, flipped, configured with options and features, and zoomed in without pixelation. Position. Use augmented reality to visualize the merchandiser in your space with your phone or tablet. Deliver. See your results fast and export them as PDF, Revit, or AutoCAD. Begin by selecting your desired case. Configure your display case effortlessly. Add features, adjust finishes, and see your design come to life in real time. Next, dive into configuration settings to customize your display case. Begin with base options, where you can adjust product type, sizes, and electrical requirements. Use the Exterior Options tab to choose the finish, paneling, end doors, and other details that perfectly match your vision. And in the Interior Options tab, configure lighting, interior finish, and display layouts, or even visualize your case in day or night mode with customizable covers. Let's take a closer look at the toolbar on the left. First, there's the 3D AR View button. This feature brings your design to life. Simply scan the QR code with your smartphone to see a realistic preview of the display case in your space. Next, the Parts List button. With a single click, a detailed list of all included components appears on the right, giving you complete clarity about what's included. Finally, the Measurements button. Toggle this on or off to instantly display precise dimensions, ensuring your design fits perfectly into your operation. Reset your view at any time or capture a screenshot of your progress. Need to add more display cases? Simply click Add another display case and configure it within the same screen. Toggle between cases effortlessly to adjust settings and view options for each product. Once your configuration is complete, preview your finished product. From here, you can submit an inquiry to save and explore how structural concepts can bring your vision to life. The myDesignPro 3D Product Configurator by Structural Concepts is designed to make selecting the perfect temperature-controlled merchandiser easier than ever. Start building your ideal display case today. Structural Concepts, delivering fresh always.